if y is equal to tan inverse one over 1 plus x square, okay, plus tan inverse same as 1 over 3 plus 3x plus x square, and plus tan inverse that is 1 over, no, this is cot inverse, I'm wrong written, this is cot inverse, within the bracket 7 plus 5x plus x square, okay, then so that dy dx at x tends to 0, as x tends to 0 equal to what? Now let's start the solution. Okay, first write the question here, and that is y is equal to tan inverse, and that is 1 over 1 plus x square. Now I am writing on the numerator like that, x plus 1 minus x, and 1 plus, take common x here, within the bracket 1 plus x. Okay, so see the numerator part, that is the difference of these two. Okay, this is 1 plus x and minus x. Same as for the second part, plus tan inverse, this is tan inverse, it can be written as same as thing, that is here, first we are write here denominator part, that is it can be written as this is the form of 3 plus 3x plus x square, so it can be written like that, need to 1 plus something, so that's why 1 plus that is x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, now this is 1 over something, so okay, now plus here is also cot inverse, we can write here tan inverse, so this is tan inverse, and same thing, that is we can write here 1 over something, so it may be 1 plus something in the form of tan inverse, this is 1 plus something, and it would be x square, see here x square plus 5x plus 7, we write here 1, so x square plus 5x plus 6, x square, this is here 5x plus 6. Okay, so now factorize this part from this to this. Okay, and this is equal to this is tan inverse, this is 1 plus x minus x over 1 plus x into in the bracket 1 plus x, and same as for the second part, this is tan inverse, and same thing, it can be written as this is here x square plus 3x plus 2, and the factor of this this x plus 2 and x plus 1, so this is here, first we write here 1 plus within the bracket x plus 2 into x plus 1. Okay, and now here is the difference of these two, x plus 2 doing minus x plus 1, so it is the formula both of the tan inverse, this is here, and the next part, see, for the next part, this is also tan inverse, so this is tan inverse in the bracket, this is here, this is 1 plus something, so it would be 1 plus this is x square plus 5x plus 6, so this is the factor here is x plus 3 and x plus 2, so this is here x plus 3 bracket closed, and this is here x plus 2. Okay, and this is here x plus 3 minus minus x plus 2 in the bracket. Okay, so it is the formula actually. So now right here for the first part of this derivative, this is the tan inverse of 1 plus x minus x over 1 plus x into 1 plus x, that is equal to, can be written as tan inverse. This is a tan inverse 1 plus x minus tan inverse. Okay, this is for the second part is this. So this is where we can write here tan inverse. This is tan inverse, this is x plus 2. So this is here x plus 2 minus tan inverse this is x plus 1. And for the last part, this is plus tan inverse. Okay, no, not here. Plus tan inverse, this is x plus 3. Okay, minus tan inverse, and this is here x plus 2. Okay, so only the two pair is left out. This is 1 tan inverse 1 plus x, and this is here tan inverse 1 plus x is cancelled out. And now this is the tan inverse x plus 2, this is here minus tan inverse x plus 2 are also cancelled out. Therefore we have left only this is tan inverse x plus 3 minus tan inverse x. Okay, now differentiate this is actually y. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, then this is dy dx. Okay, and that is equal to the derivative of tan inverse x plus 3, that is 1 over 1 plus in the bracket x plus 3 whole square. And same as for the second part, it will be 1 over, this is the tan inverse x, so there will be derivative is here 1 plus x square only. Okay, now at the point 0, that is dy dx, the point 0, this is dy dx at x equal to 0, and it would be this is 1 over, if we put here 0 from this, then we got our 1 plus 3 square. So this is here 1 plus 3 square, 1 plus 9 actually, and this is minus, and now this is 1 over 1 plus 0, so 1 plus 0. So then we got the answer, that is 1 over 10, and this is 1 over 10 minus 1, and that would be equal to minus 9 over 10. Okay, 9 over 10. See again, see y equal to, this is tan inverse 1 over 1 plus x square plus tan inverse 1 over 3 plus 3x plus x square, and that is equal plus cot inverse 7 plus 5x plus x square. Now I am finding the value of dy dx at 0. So now y can be written as this is tan inverse 1 over 1 plus x square, and this is, and same as for the second part we can write this is, and for the third part, okay, and see the writing, we have tan inverse 1 plus x minus x is 1 over 1 plus x into 1 plus x, and this is same as for the second, same as for the third. Now we apply the formula here. So this is for the formula of that. So this is tan inverse 1 plus x minus tan inverse x, and for the second is tan inverse x plus 2 minus tan inverse x plus 1, and for the third this is tan inverse x plus 3 minus tan inverse x plus 2. So here you see that the tan inverse 1 plus x and tan inverse x plus 1 are cancelled out, and also the fact term, that is tan inverse x plus 2 and minus tan inverse x plus 2, both are cancelled. So now we have left here only tan inverse minus tan inverse x, and this is tan inverse x plus 3. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x, then the derivative of this is 1 over 1 plus x plus 3 whole square, and again differentiate of x plus 3 here is 1 only, so not need to write here, and the derivative of tan inverse x, this is 1 by 1 plus x. Okay, and now at the point 0, so put here 0. Okay, this is here 1 plus 9, and this is here 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 0. So it is the answer minus 9 by 10. Okay, bye.